Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find biometrics and security. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on other security settings. As you can see here, we've got a whole credential storage section, and at the very bottom of it we've got a clear credentials option, so let's tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so simply tap on OK. Now let's draw the pattern, PIN or password if you have one, and as you can see we've got the info that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.